If you're using Photopea as a design tool, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you some awesome tips and tricks. Today we're going to look at cropping a photo into a circle. So let's get into it. So I've got this beautiful image over here, and I would like to just go ahead and crop a circle out of this image. So on the left hand side, you'll see this icon. It is the ellipse select. Now if you right click on there, you have between the rectangle and ellipse, and we of course are going to choose the ellipse. So when you are creating this shape, if you're clicking down and dragging, you can actually freeform this shape. So it'll change the aspect ratio as you are creating this shape. However, if you do just want a circle without any aspect ratio change, we're going to go and hold in Shift, click down, and it'll actually create a perfect circle without any aspect change. And we can just lift up, and we now have our selection. Now, additional to this, if you want to move this around, which of course I need to move mine around, you can just make sure that this is the icon you see, and you can now click down and move it to where you need it to be. Now, one of the things that you need to make sure is that you are changing the feather up on the top over here. Okay, so the feather is how soft the edges are. So if you want soft edges, you can adjust that higher, but for now we want to leave it on 0 because we want just a solid sharp edge around. So making sure again that we are going to the right hand side, we are going to click on the add raster mask. It is a rectangle with a slight circle in the center, and there is your image. Now if you want to center this or you want to crop this, we can go to the crop tool. It looks like this. You can just right click on it. It gives you some additional options. Make sure that you're selecting the crop tool. Again, hold Shift in to keep aspect ratio, and you want to go and select the area that you'd like to crop. Okay, so that is what I would like. And again, I'm going to go from this side and just crop it to the edge. And on the top of the page, you'll see an X and a tick. We're going to select that tick. And there you go. You can now export this to your device and use it where you need to. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you next time.